What's up, Blooms? In today's video, I'm sharing a DIY Ayurvedic clay mask to help detox my low porosity natural hair. Alright y'all, for this Ayurvedic clay mask, I'm starting off with French red clay. French red clay helps to unclog hair follicles and nourish strands with its high mineral content. French red clay also softens the hair, assists with detangling, and reduce frizz. Next, I use Kaolin Clay. Kaolin Clay is great for removing excess oil, product buildup, and keeping scalp clean. Bentonite or Rasul clay would work great in this recipe as well. Lastly, I'm adding Brahmi powder to help reduce dryness, boost hair growth, and reduce hair fall. These ingredients are great if you're looking to detox and reset your hair, but also want to keep your strands well nourished. To combine everything, I'm using distilled water infused with fenugreek seeds and burdock root. Burdock root contains high amounts of vitamin B6, which increases blood flow to the hair follicles and increase keratin production. This causes a boost in natural hair growth and reduction in hair fall. Burdock root also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can be used in combating dry scalp. This herbal fenugreek and burdock root tea can also be used as a hair rinse, or you can drink it for additional benefits. After brewing the hair tea, I'm mixing all of the ingredients together to make our clay mask. Feel free to add more liquid or less depending on the consistency that you are looking for. If you add more liquid, you'll probably need to add additional clay and Brahmi powder in order to balance out the mixture. After getting the right consistency that I'm looking for, it's time to use the clay mask. You can use the clay mask directly from the bowl, but for better application, try transferring the mixture to an applicator bottle. To apply the mask, I drenched my hair in warm water. I have low porosity hair and products absorb better in my strands when I start off with warmer water. To get the most benefit out of your clay mask, make sure your hair is saturated with water beforehand in order to get a better application and product absorption. The texture of this clay mask was a bit different than the ones that I've done in the past, but I ended up liking it because it made it better for me to distribute in my strands, especially if you're looking to transfer your clay mask into a bottle. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too runny. I found this texture to be the perfect mix because I was still able to get the clay mask in the bottle and apply it to my hair. If you're looking to recreate this clay mask, it's all about eyeballing the measurements that you are using to get the perfect consistency that will fit your hair needs. As you're applying the clay on your strands, you want to focus the mask on your scalp, but don't forget about the length of your hair as well. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this clay mask so far. Would you give it a try? Do you like the ingredients? And also, do you prefer making your own clay mask or purchasing pre-made ones? Some of the benefits of detox masks are to help balance your scalp pH, get rid of product buildup, stimulating your hair follicles, and drying out toxins and impurities. In addition to detoxifying, clay masks can also help to improve your curl definition. I left the mask on for about 30 minutes and then rinsed it out. I used warm water for this process as well in order to make it easier. It didn't take too long for the clay to rinse out, and you don't have to use a shampoo after this process, but if you feel like you need to, definitely follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. Overall, I really liked how this clay worked in my hair. I love the ingredients that I used. The application process went really well, and my scalp feels so good after doing this clay mask. When it comes to having a healthy scalp, you want to make sure that you're detoxing and resetting your scalp periodically. I like to do clay mask once to twice a month in order to make sure that although the product buildup and everything is taken out, clarifying shampoos would work great as well, but sometimes you just need a good clay mask. After using the clay, I'm going to deep condition using Eden Body Works Natural Hair Mask Deep Treatment and my Ayurvedic Clove Oil. If you're interested in purchasing this oil, please send me a message over at the Garden of Bloom on Instagram. I have 4 and 8 ounce bottles available. After deep conditioning, this is what my hair is looking like. My scalp looks good and my hair feels moisturized. I also deep conditioned using my heated deep conditioning cap to get some heat in my deep conditioning session. I mentioned earlier that you can use the Fenugreek and Burdock Root tea as a hair rinse and as a tea that you can drink. Now I'm going to show you how I use the tea as a hair rinse. I've been trying to incorporate more hair rinses in my routine, and this one I will definitely be adding to the list. I love how earthy this tea smells and the benefits that it has. I don't use hair teas every wash day, but I do like to incorporate them once in a while. I have other hair tea and hair rinse ideas that I want to try out. I have heard really good things about incorporating hair rinses in your routine, and I'm definitely looking forward to doing that. Let me know down in the comments if you use hair teas or hair rinses in your routine. If you notice any difference with shedding and less breakage, definitely let me know. Another suggestion for when it comes to hair teas or hair rinses, try to make them the day before or an hour before your wash day starts in order to get the maximum benefit of the ingredients that you're using. If you let the tea steep overnight or at least for an hour, you'll be able to let the tea get more concentrated and provide additional benefits to your wash day. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this Ayurvedic clay mask and my results from using it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah.